guys, hello, my name is Angel and welcome to my channel. So I have to first apologize for all the background noises that you might hear throughout this video. Please bear with me, I'm new to this, but I thought if I don't start this now, I wouldn't get started. So I didn't want to make any excuses for myself anymore, so please bear with me. Okay. In today's video, I want to talk to you all about hair removal because hair removal has been a big part of my life, and I absolutely love removing hair from any part of my body except my head, of course. Well, to start out with the most basic thing, and the first thing most probably everybody start out with, which is shaving. Shaving is the most basic thing that we do to get rid of body hair, whether it is arms or legs or pubic area, but shaving has been my first method of removing hair, and it's been good. It's fast and very economical. However, they used to give me a lot of inputs, and I had to do it every other day, or I would literally feel like a porcupine, like putting people all over. I can't even brush off. Someone, they'll be like, "Oh, do you shave?" Like, it's embarrassing. Body hair is embarrassing, at least for me, okay? Yes, it is embarrassing. And so shaving is good, but after a while I got over shaving because I didn't want to feel like rough and it just make me feel feminine for some reason, like shaving. And I still do shave, but I don't want to do it as something as a no, I do use it, but I'll explain to you why I use it. But it's not really the only thing I do. So I gave up on just shaving, and I moved to waxing when I was about 15. And waxing started for me through sugar wax videos that I used to watch on YouTube and make it at home. Like, I think I used sugar and water and lime or something, and I used to always, or most of the time, really screw the thing up because the consistency wasn't right, or I put too much of lime and it would be too sticky, or I put less lime and it would be too high and it won't take off any hair. To be so messy, it's sticky all over, and I had to push myself like so many times to get it out. Sometimes so food to make it scrub it off, and I don't know. It's a nightmare. Then I also started going to get myself waxed by professionals like Honeypot or Be Waxed. Those are the only two places I've tried. Honeypot was what I preferred because I felt like they cared about my skin better. Be Waxed is good, but I guess if you're going to Be Waxed, and their prices are also more economical than Honeypot, I guess. But if you're going go to the Kirimandaramada one, I think they do a better job than the branches. And also, after a while of waxing, I started going broke, and you know how it is when you start working and you feel shy to ask your parents for money. Things like that happen. You try to find alternatives which are more cost effective. In that way, I moved to something called, I actually don't know how to pronounce it, Epilator or something. Basically, it's a blue wax. It's amazing. It comes in a tub like this. I've used it, as you can see. What I do is I put this entire container. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to use it, but since I'm the one using it. I put the entire container in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and this entire thing melts and it's hot. So then I quickly come upstairs and then I put a stick into it. I put a thick layer, and we just basically, okay, just assume this is a stick. Just put it and take a little, and then you apply it. It doesn't have to be thick, just apply it, and then make sure you kind of blow it before you apply it, because it can be a little hot. And then apply it thin. Doesn't have to be, a thick layer, and then it cools better also. And then once it's dried off, you pull it like how you pull a normal wax strip, and all or most of the hair comes off. And out of everything I've tried, this brand is the best. I think I got it off eBay for about $25 or something a couple of years ago. And before, this is my second game, but before I could finish this, I went back to something I've used earlier, which kind of scares a lot of people, and it's so painful, and I would not use it unless I really had to, like I didn't have money to wax, or I didn't have the patience to wax each and every part of my body, something like that. That is when I use this. You may have heard of it. This is an Epilator. I really don't know whether it still works, because I haven't used it in so long. I don't remember the last time I used it, basically. This is the Braun Silk Appeal 5, and I'm getting a call. Hi, baby. I'm gonna avoid that because I'm gonna build this. Okay. Okay. So this is the Braun Silk Appeal 5. I got this as a gift, so I'm not really sure how much it was. I probably should have researched it before I did this video, but now that I have it, how it works is it's got these tweezers. Like you can see, it's got tweezers. This whole thing, it's about, I don't know, maybe about 100. So basically, all these tweezers pluck your hair. Right now, I don't have any hair on my arms, but let me show you how it works. Basically, you on this switch. I usually use the plastic key. Then I would glide the one part. Moving on, I'm gonna talk to you all about my favorite hair removal method. This is an IPL machine. For those who haven't heard of it, which rock have you all been living under? That's right. This machine gives you a salon IPL experience in the convenience of your own home. And it is way more cheaper than getting it done professionally. So companies like, this is bronze, but companies like, I think, was it Panasonic, if I'm not sure, Panasonic or something like that, also has a really, Philips, the Philips one is really good, and this is also a very reliable brand, just like my Epilator. It's also the same brand. This is one of the older products, but I bought it because I thought this was more value for money than the other one, which is a newer version. And this is honestly a lifesaver. I am seeing results. Basically what this does is, over time it reduces the hair growth in our body. So one of the downsides for this for the Sri Lankan market is that this works through skin tone. So it works better for higher skin tones, and this has its own sensors here, the two sensors. So when it knocks, like when it touches our skin, it senses which strength it will be, using on our body. It's an automatic one. But for most of our Sri Lankan or darker skin tones, it won't recognize. So that is the only downside to this, I guess. If you're trying to buy, you have to be a better fairer skin tone, I would say, not better. And basically you have to shave first. If you have hair on top of your skin when you're using this, it burns the hair on the top layer of your skin, and it could fall on your skin and burn the skin. So because of this, you have to use your shaver, and you shave it off, and then you start using this, and it goes into the skin and it burns your roots. So, and over time it basically reduces your hair, or it completely stops growing. I'm not sure, but anyway, this machine, they claim that we can use it up to about 5 to 10 years. I think most, I'm guessing it's 10 years, but I'm just gonna go with 5 just to be safe. And basically, I'll show you how it works. I have to on this. I have to on this, and you can see when you keep it on the skin, these lights come up. This just simply means it's like level 1, 2, and 3. I don't know whether you all can see that. So this is on level 3. So, and you press it, and then you move along. I don't have hair on my arm, so I'm just gonna go around showing y'all. Just keep on clicking it. It's pretty easy. You just keep on basically doing it till you get the entire arm. Just don't go over it twice. Just once is enough. And if you have sensitive skin, you can always press this button for sensitive skin. When you press it, it's always on level 1, and you can keep going. So you can also do this on your face, but I don't recommend it. I'm scared to do it on my face, but I think I am going to start doing it on my face. I don't have really bad facial hair for a girl, but you know, all girls are very particular about even the teeniest, tiniest hair that you see. Also, with this machine, you can't go over, like the sensor has to always knock your skin, so it's a little problematic when it comes to, you know, elbow area, or it doesn't really cover much, right? Or your knees, like it has its own bendy surfaces, so you cannot really get to those areas with this machine. So I have kind of done something. I don't know whether it is a good thing to do, but I don't recommend it at all. But I found a way. I put 2 plasters on the 2 sensors, so it always thinks it's touching a surface. That's why my lights are always blinking, sorry, lighting up. And so even on my knees, or like any place that does not, you cannot really reach the 2 surfaces, this basically lights up and it does its job. So that is my trick. And the good thing about this is, you know, how with shaving or epilating also, it takes the hair from the root. So it takes about 2 weeks to grow back, or a month, or let's say, depending on how lucky you are. But like with all of those, there's a period in your month where you live with a little bit of hair, because you can't wax it off when the hair is very like short. So the good thing about this is you can shave your arms as much as you want, or your legs, or wherever you want to use it. I haven't done the pubic area because I'm a bit scared to do that also. Maybe I'll read up more about it and see what doctor's recommendations. But in other parts of the body, you can always shave, and you can have a smooth skin all over basically. And over time, the frequency of how many times you shave will reduce. Like for me, I only shave like most of my hair does not even grow back in a week. Sometimes it's 2 weeks, and like it's still very bare minimum on my arms, because I think the IPL machine really worked for me, and that is so far my favorite thing. And I just saw my cat over there doing God knows what. Ignore him. So this is what I recommend. I'm not gonna recommend, actually. I'm scared to recommend anything. But if y'all wanna try, that was my experience with these products. I hope this video has helped you or you enjoyed it, and I hope y'all join me on my future videos to come. Thank you.